Hi everyone, welcome back to my next video. Today I have a big announcement that's going to be very important to some of you. And for that announcement, I need to put on my HOWA hat. For those of you who are unfamiliar with it, HOWA stands for Homes on Wheels Alliance. It's a 501c3 nonprofit that my wonderful friend Sue Ann and I started 5 years ago now. It's been a long time. And in that time, we have done a lot of tremendous work. Well, good news, we're going to continue doing that good work. So today we are continuing that tradition by announcing a solar power system giveaway. We're just giving away 200 watt solar power systems. It will have a solar panel and a power station. I'm not at this moment sure of which one we'll be buying. Over the years of our working with people, the one request we've gotten more than anything else is solar power. They say that without solar, without any electricity, it's really hard. And for a lot of us, it's hard to afford it. We don't have the knowledge, the skills, the tools to do an install, and the panels and the power stations are so expensive that we really can't afford it. 200 watts is the sweet spot. It's where you get pretty much all the power you need for all the things you need. So that's what these systems will be. Now, let me thank so much the Lectric eBikes, because they provided the funding for all of this. They donated the money. We're going out and buying the power stations and the solar panels, and we are so incredibly grateful to Lectric eBikes. Over the years, they have done so much for our community, and I just encourage all of you, if you are in need of an electric bike, if you're thinking about an electric bike, think of electric bikes first. We'll put up the link to them down below and in the description. So please think of them first. And now you might think, well, they're just buying you off. They're just giving money so that you'll congratulate them. No, 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 no. Electric e-bikes are the best bang for the buck of any e-bike. I'm going to say that without any risk of qualification. They have the best company. They have the best support. They have wonderful, wonderful, wonderful people that work there. I know the owners and the co-founders, and they are great people. You know, they came in with one of the very best prices of all on e-bikes, especially smaller folding e-bikes. And what usually happens is, the business model is you come in, you undercut everyone else, you get a lot of business, then you raise your prices. You screw people. That's not what they did. They missed business school that day. They came in with low prices, got a huge following, huge distribution, and they're just doing fantastically well, making super great products, and they even lowered their prices. So these are good people doing good work, making a fantastic product. So I recommend electric bikes, even if they never gave us a penny. So they are the first bike most of us should think of if you're in any way on a budget. Best bang for your buck, no doubt. So thanks again to Lectric eBikes. So now your next question will be, how am I going to get one of these solar power systems? Well, you have to go to homesonwheelsalliance.org and sign up. There's an application there. So go to that place and sign up. We'll put a link to it down in the description, and then you can go there and put in your application. As a 501c3, it is very important that we never just give people to our favorites. And to prove that we're not just giving people to our favorites, we have a vetting process. Everyone has to apply, we go through them, and those most in need are the ones who get the systems. So that no one can ever say, oh, you're just taking care of your friends. No, we'll show you the paperwork, we'll show you this person needed it the most, that's why we gave it to them. So that is a necessary part of the process. And you will have to fill out that application. So go to homesonwheelsalliance.org. We'll put the link down in the description. Fill out your application, and we'll let you know within a month or two whether you've been selected or not. And so go do that right now. Again, this will be life-changing for a lot of you, and so I hope as many of you as possible go and sign up. And again, a huge thanks to Lectric eBike. They've paid for all of this. They are wonderful, wonderful people making a wonderful, wonderful product. Go look at them on their website. Well, I hope you got something out of this video. And if you did, like us on YouTube, subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up button, and remember, always remember, die with memories, not with dreams. I hope you all live your highest possible quality of life today. We'll talk to you later. Bye now.